Man, this is so awesome. This super kind of like big Jenga, because I call it Jenga. That's kind of like the original game that this brand sent to me for this video. It is actually really cool. You can see how tall it is. You can see how big it is. This thing is going to be really fun just to play with friends. For example, you have all these blocks, which by the way, I'm going to just take one. There are wooden blocks. You can actually paint them if you want. They're not paint at all. You can paint them if you want. But if not, you can just like leave it like this. So for playing outside, for playing outdoors, this thing is awesome. You can just gather with friends like here on a table, for example, or just like put it in the floor and start like playing together and just making sure that you have fun knowing which one is gonna be the ultimate winner. I have to say that this thing, it is really cool just to have, again, fun with friends and family. The good thing about this one is that you can actually, this is gonna be a hard one. I'm gonna try it out. It may fall. Oh my God. Please don't. Please don't fall. Ooh. Oh, we did it. I don't know. I don't know how we did it. But again, just kind of like making sure that you have enough room to play with this one. Because I'm just sitting right now just to show you how it works. And of course, so you can see me. But the best way of this one is going to be kind of like playing standing on the side of it. Just because it is so big. And by the way, let's see if... Oh, okay. We have the first three right here. That is so awesome. So I gotta say, again, it comes with the bag, so you can take it with you to the beach, for example, if you want, or like a park, or to another friend's and family houses or something like that. So that's really cool that comes with the bag. And then once you're done, just have fun and start playing this fantastic outdoor game, which is gigantic, and it's also really fun and awesome to play with friends and family. Should I just push it? No, not now. Okay, yeah, whatever. Oh no! Oh no!